today's part. So today, I know I haven't been uploading in a while. Sorry about that. Today I'm making grilled cheese. I've made one already. So I put some cheese over here. And we're gonna put some more cheese over here on this piece. So sometimes you can add pepper. Sometimes you can add uh, tomatoes. Whatever you feel is suitable for you. Yeah. I think that's enough cheese for now. So, guys, we put it in the pan and we're gonna let it cook. So, what you want to do is you want to make it crispy, and you want to check if it's done. Looks like it's a little bit done. So we just wait a few minutes and press it down so that way the cheese stays. So you get that good taste. And I think it's time to turn it over. And yeah, so I will be uploading more on this channel. I haven't been uploading because I've been super busy with a lot of things. But yeah, we're back. We're gonna upload soon. I plan on making a custom-made apron so we don't mess ourselves with food, because we don't want that to happen. And it looks like the other side is done. Let's hope I don't burn myself. Yeah, other side is done. And time for this side. Smell is just so heartwarming. It's just so good, you know? Just so good. And I try to be a try on this channel with new style of cooking. And I hope you enjoy the new style of videoing, vlog style content. Chicken's done. Smells so good. And I think it's done. Double check. Yeah, I think that's done. So it just takes a few minutes. Just takes a few minutes and it's done. Now all you need to do is switch it off. Right. So guys, we finished make the grilled cheese. Let us cut it and enjoy. Yeah, there's this app that I use. It's called Tasty. I've talked about it before. They have some amazing recipes. Show you guys now. So they have some incredible recipes. I really wish they'd sponsor us. I'm about to devour these 2 sandwiches. Hopefully I'll keep one for later if I cannot manage to finish. So this app, so here's this app, right? This is the app. It's called Tasty. So basically, wait for it to focus. This is the app right here. focus. And not focusing. Okay, so there's this app called Tasty. I've saved so many recipes on this app. This is what we made now, the grilled cheese. And yeah, there's so many stuff on the app. So this is the app right here. I don't know if you can see it. Focus a bit. There it is. Tasty. That's how the app is. So you can download it via Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. And yeah, let's taste how this is. Bismillah. It came out so delicious. I'm gonna enjoy this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, share, comment down below your favorite dish. And yeah, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. I mentioned all of that. There's a lot of amazing things that are happening on this channel, so stay tuned. And I will see you guys in the next one.